Hi guys, it's me, Toya, and I am back with another video. I don't have a good voice, but I tried. I'm back! So this tutorial is going to be a high puff tutorial. I already have a high puff tutorial. I'm going to link it up here in the cards for you in the eyes so that you can see that older video. But I have recently updated my high puffs. I don't do my high puffs the same way that I did them before. So I wanted to give you guys an update. So if you guys are interested in seeing that update, then keep watching. So I'm going to make this video as fast as I possibly can because I need to go to work. So this is a twist out that I did doing a tryout video for Deva Curls Mr. Right Dream Curl Refresher. If you're interested in seeing that video, I will link it up here in the cards so you guys can have access to it. But I didn't really like how my curls came out, and I really just want to put it in a high puff. I just want it up out of my face. I don't want to look at it. I don't want to deal with it. So I'm just going to put it up. Normally when I do twist outs, the night that I had my twist out, to just put my bonnet on, go to bed. When I wake up, my curls are a little less defined as it is now. So I'm going to show you what it looks like today, which is a more defined look. First thing that I like to do is to moisturize my hair, the perimeters of my hair. So I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner, which is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. I love to use this leave-in conditioner. It's my favorite. So I'm going to put this on the perimeters of my head. And I like to do an upward motion. And since I didn't like the way that these curls came out, and my hair feels a little bit filmy, feels a little bit like I can't put my finger on it, but I think it's one of the ingredients in the refresher itself that kind of gave me this kind of hold feeling. So I'm gonna put some on my hair strands as well. So I'm just gonna take some more and put it at the back of my head because that's what's gonna hold my puff up, and I'm just gonna put it out like this. So I'm gonna take my Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Tropic Living, and I'm just gonna put this on the perimeters of my hair as well. And I just have a really greasy hand right now because I like to put a lot. And the reason why I put a lot is because I don't like to use a lot of holding gels on my hair and stuff like that. So this thicker oil really sleeks down the perimeters of my hair, and it really just gives me a really sleek look without having to add gel. And then also it's really good for my edges and stuff like that. So I like it. Now I'm just going to take a boar bristle brush and I'm just going to smooth my hair down. So I'm just taking it and smoothing the back out, just because the curls at the back, it doesn't really make a difference for me, because the back of my hair is going to be really, really high up, so I don't really need curl definition. Now I'm just going to need a hair tie, and I like to use just a regular old stockings, or as people call them, tights. Just regular old tights. I cut it up into long strips and just made my own hair tie. This is what mine looks like. Looks a little raggedy now because I've been using it so often, but it really just holds my hair and it's better than a hair tie for me. So I'm just going to put this at the back of my head. I'm going to put it at the back of my head, and then I'm going to just tie it in the front here to make it really, really high You just have to make sure that you hold this piece in the front really tight so that it can really stay in place while you're moving the back of your head up. And then I'm going to turn around for this. So you're just going to slide this up like so. Just keeping in mind to hold this in front really, really tight still. That's if you want it to be really high. Okay, and you see how at the back it's nice and flat. If you feel like it's not flat enough for you, you can go ahead and just pull on your hair strands very carefully, just to make sure that the back is really nice and flat and smooth. I'm just going to take the front and just tie it gently. Not too tight. Don't tie it too tight, but just gently. I'm going to just double check that this is where I want it to be. I'm going to take this side. If your string is long enough, you can go ahead and just tie it at the back and then tuck it into the back. But because mine is not that long, I'm actually just going to use bobby pins to hold the strings into place. Now that it's all secure, we're just going to work on our puff here.